Today's topic is understanding quadrilateral. In introduction part, plane surface. What is the meaning of plane surface? The paper is called plane surface. In this plane surface, without taking a pencil, if you join the points, all the points, if you join like this is called plane curve. Let it be curve place or let it be straight line. This is also called curve. So now they have given few curves and which type you have to mark now. First one they given simple closed curve. In this, which is simple closed curve? Third one is simple closed curve because it is closed. Second one is a closed curve that is not simple. This is not simple but it is closed. Third one is simple curve that is not closed. Which is not closed here? First one is not closed. Next one is not a simple curve. This is not a simple curve. It is different kind of curve they have given. Polygons. A simple closed curve made up of only line segment is called a polygon. This is also line, this is also line, but this all it is curved that are polygons. This everything curves that are not polygon. Why it is not polygon? Because it is not closed. It is extra in this place. This is also extra line we have. But in this everything we have correct position. In this we have triangle, square, pentagon. We have many types in this. Classification of polygons. They have given here the simple figure. First one, they have 3 sides and 3 vertices. This is AB is side, BC also second side, CA is third side. Vertices means A is one vertices, B point, this point is second vertices, this point is third vertices. So totally we have 3 sides and 3 vertices. So the name of the figure is triangle. Next one we have 4 side and 4 vertices we have. So that the name of the figure is quadrilateral. If we have 5 side and 5 vertices, the name of figure is pentagon. So 6 side and 6 vertices if we have hexagon. 7 side if we have heptagon. 8 side if we have octagon. 9 side if we have nonagon. 10 side and 10 vertices if we have, it is called decagon. This is quadrilateral because we have 4 side and 4 vertices we have. This is A, B, C and D. Now diagonals means A and C vertices, that is opposite vertices. If you join, this name is called AC is called diagonal and BD is other diagonal. So in a quadrilateral we have 2 diagonals. One is AC, the other one is BD. Here I have taken pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 side. If we have 5 side, the name of the figure is called pentagon. So we have A, B, C, D and E. We have 5 vertices. So in this 5 vertices, we have to join in the opposite vertices. That is AD one diagonal, DB one more diagonal, BE is one more diagonal, EC is one more diagonal and AC also is one more diagonal. So opposite to vertices if you join, that name is called diagonals. We will see now interior closed curve and exterior closed curve. This is the curve I have taken as triangle. So this portion is called interior closed curve. Then this I have taken here a rectangle. So the exterior closed curve means this portion is called exterior closed curve. So out of this figure if you shade, this portion is called exterior closed curve. This interior means inside you have to color it. So this is called interior closed curve. Now we are going to see convex polygons and concave polygons. If you take a triangle, this is convex polygons, and a rectangle, hexagon 6 sides, or like trapezium or parallelogram. All the shapes are called convex polygon. Concave polygon means the one more edge will be inside. This, if you try to do in convex polygon, it will be like this. Quadrilateral it will become, but one side it will be inside. So that this is called concave polygons. So one more type also we can show in this pentagon. This shape it will be like this. This is called concave polygon. And if you take as 6 sides, one side will be like this. So this is also a concave polygon. So one vertices it will be inside. In this everything will be outside. Regular and irregular polygons. Regular polygons is both equal angular and equilateral. What is the meaning of equal angular? Angle should be equal in triangle, and I have taken the square. All the 4 angles are equal. Not only angle, the sides also should be equal. In square, all the 4 sides are equal. I have taken equilateral triangle so that all the 3 sides also will be equal, and all the angles also it should be 60 degree. So that this both the figures are a regular polygon. Irregular polygon means, take example, a rectangle. In rectangle, all the 4 sides are 90, but sides are not equal. Opposite sides only is equal. All 4 sides are not equal. So that it is called irregular polygons. Example, we can take one more also. It is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, always hypotenuse will be greater. Other 2 sides will be smaller in length. So that this is also called irregular polygons. Do you remember the angle, some property of the triangle? In earlier class you have studied all the angles. If you add, you will get 180 in triangle. In quadrilateral means 4 sides we have. Okay. If you do the diagonal, we will get here first triangle, this is second triangle. So 2 triangle when we add, we will get quadrilateral. So this is 180, and here also we will get 180. So 180 plus 180 will get 360 degree. So that in quadrilateral, when we add all 4 angles, we have 4 vertices, so that we will get 4 angles. When we add in quadrilateral, the 4 angles will get 360 degree. So sum of the angles in triangle is 180, sum of the angles in quadrilateral is 360 degree.